What's a hooba? We all ask what a hooba is. Hi, everyone. My name is Rochelle again from the Seattle chapter WREN. Great to see you guys. I'm actually here with a dear friend of mine and colleague, Angela. She's actually out of San Diego. Hi, Angela. How are you?
Hi, Rochelle. I'm great.
Oh, so good. So we actually have this big Ignite event coming up in October. I mean, we're talking a few weeks away now. And we've been talking about how to be laser focused, how to network, to know your why. And most importantly, as part of this networking and get the most out of this event is hooba. So tell us, Angela, what is hooba? How can we get prepared and how can we best use it?
Who are you talking about? Oh, you're talking about hooba. Yeah,
exactly.
So the great thing with hooba is, although we know we all want to be in person and share that face to face, hooba definitely helps to connect us. So even though we're going to be doing this virtually, hooba is a tool that will really allow you to continue to communicate with everyone who is attending Ignite. So once we make the hooba event live, make sure to download your profile.
Okay.
Because then you'll be able to connect and talk with every participant from across all of our different chapters. You can start community groups. You can start different topics. So if you're interested in apartment buildings, you can create a topic and others can start to join that conversation.
Love it, love it, love it, love it. I just a real quick side note, I actually just participated in an event last weekend, and hooba was the key. And it's about these topics and being engaged. It was fantastic. There was up to 75 people in this conversation, and people sharing information and sharing, lenders and sharing deals. So guys, ladies, please, please, please update your profile, be active. So this is great. So what else do we need to know about hooba?
Yeah, hooba will have the full agenda. So once you get that invite, go ahead and take a look at all the different sessions. You'll see our featured speakers. You'll know the run of the show. And then you'll be able to make sure you're at all the good topic, all the good sessions.
Awesome, awesome. Well, again, thank you again, Angela. And Angela's the brains behind this. She's going to take care of the IT. I think I'm on that too. So good luck, everybody. I'm trying to be the best I can. But we're looking forward to having everybody come and join us again. This is an annual event. It's been growing every year. The beautiful thing about COVID, if there is a beautiful thing, is that we have grown nationally as a chapter. So we're not, isolated to East Coast, West, California, Seattle, Phoenix. We're all together now, and we've grown a beautiful group of amazing women. So can't wait to see you. Again, WREN Inspires is where you can go ahead and get your tickets. So please join us October 10th and 11th. Looking forward to seeing you. Thanks, Angela. Bye.
Thanks, Belle. Bye, ladies.
Bye.